Hi, I'm Nick Gallant, and I'm going to talk to you about Mammatus Clouds today. So, what are Mammatus Clouds, you might be asking? Essentially, they're upside-down cumulus clouds, and they are typically associated with severe weather. And where they actually form on the undersides of cirrus and stratocumulus and actually a load of other clouds, too. Specifically, more the clouds that would carry rain. So, as you can see here, this is what they look like. And actually, these bulbs you see, each one can vary from a half a mile to 2 miles in length. So they actually form, the way they form is actually quite different from most clouds. They form due to sinking dense air with a high water content, which is much different from normal clouds, which usually form via rising air. And this has implications to negative buoyancy, which I won't talk about today. It's a very complicated subject, but it is essentially it's when something is more dense than the air and it causes it to fall, which creates the mammatus look. And they usually form before or after storms. And so as you can see in this diagram here, you have mammatus forming under the anvil of the cloud, both before and after the storm. And so one thing that's very interesting about these clouds is no one actually really knows how they form. There's a lot of theories, but there's no real proven evidence other than the fact that they form due to sinking dense air, and they typically precede or succeed thunderstorms. Thank you. I've been Nick Gallant, talking about Mammatus Clouds.